Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to prepare collagen drink at home. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body, crucial for skin elasticity, strong hair, and healthy joints. Preparing your own drink is a fantastic way to support your body's natural collagen levels. It's a straightforward process that can be easily incorporated into your daily routine, offering a delicious and effective boost to your overall well-being. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 to 2 scoops of high-quality unflavored collagen peptide powder. For your liquid base, options are plentiful. Cold water, your favorite fruit juice, or even a creamy smoothie work wonderfully. Remember, vitamin C is crucial for collagen synthesis, so incorporating ingredients like a handful of fresh berries or a squeeze of lemon juice can significantly boost its effectiveness. Mixing your collagen drink is incredibly simple. Just add 1 to 2 scoops of collagen powder directly into your selected liquid. Stir it well for approximately 30 seconds. Collagen peptides typically dissolve easily in both hot and cold beverages. For a super smooth texture, especially in cold drinks or smoothies, a blender or a small frother can help prevent any clumps, ensuring a delightful drinking experience. Now for the fun part, customization. Feel free to add natural sweeteners such as a teaspoon of honey or a splash of maple syrup to taste. You can also blend in fresh fruits like a half cup of mango, leafy greens, or a pinch of cinnamon for added nutrients and flavor. Drink your collagen concoction daily to consistently support your skin, hair, and joints, making it a simple yet powerful addition to your wellness journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.